guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today I have yet another affordable Amazon wig review. And this wig, guys, yo, I feel so cute with this wig. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, honestly, this is what I wish my natural hair looked like. Like, this wig is so cute. But before I get ahead of myself, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below for more content, more wig reviews, makeup videos, vlogs, all that fun stuff. And yeah, let's get started. So like I previously mentioned, this hair is off of Amazon yet again, and this wig is actually from Caitlyn Hair, and this is their Brazilian Virgin Kiki Curly human hair wigs with bangs, non-lace front wigs, pre-plucked, glueless, machine-made wigs for black women, 150% density. And this wig actually retails for $94, so if you want to just round it up, it's basically $100. Now, this company did hit me up to ask me to do a review for them, and of course I said yes, because here the video is. And guys, I honestly love this hair. This hair is so cute to me. Like, yo, I love cute, like, kinky curly hairstyle, like curly froze like this. Like, definitely I be in my moods where I be wanting something like this, because especially the past couple weeks I've been wearing like either short hair or like straight hair or like body wave. So like going from that to this was definitely like a big jump. But your girl's hype, because this is definitely something different and definitely something that I did not have in my arsenal of human hair wigs per se. Now, this hair is 20 inches, and as you guys can see, this is where it falls on me. And again, this hair is 20 inches, and as you guys are looking at me, if anyone was curious, I'm currently 5'6". Why did I say currently like I stopped growing? I'm about to be 24 next month. I don't think I'm gonna grow any taller than this, but I am 5'6", if anybody was curious. And basically this is where the hair falls on me. Again, when you stretch it out, it's about like down to here. So it is true to length. I don't do this enough in my videos, and I peeped that the last video that I uploaded. Like, I really don't be giving y'all like the full like 360 view, and honest to goodness, I just be forgetting. Like, seriously, I just forget. But y'all see what it looks like in the front, and then this is what it looks like from the side in all its glory, all its poofiness. And again, this wig is very, very, very full for it being only 150% density. And then this is what the wig looks like from the back. Hopefully you guys can see that. Now, this wig is eligible for Amazon Prime, which is really nice. So pulling it up on my phone right now, if I were to buy this wig right now, I would get it to my house by Tuesday. So that's really nice. So you're not waiting forever and a day for you to get this wig if you really wanted this wig like ASAP. Like if you're about to go on a trip, or your birthday's coming up, or you get like a last minute present for somebody, anything of the sort, it's gonna take less than 3 days to get to you. Well, keeping your fingers crossed, as long as Rona ain't acting up and being crazy and all that other stuff. But for the most part, the shipping is very fast. Again, I feel like this wig is extremely affordable for what you're getting. Like, this is a human hair wig, and for it to basically be $100, I feel like that's a really good steal. Realistically, would I pay my own money for this hair? Absolutely. Like, again, I feel like it's a really good steal for all of the hair that you're getting and also the quality. Now, when it comes to the tangling and the shedding, when I was washing this hair, I was getting a normal amount of tangling, and when I say a normal amount, again, it's kinky curly hair. When you go to get different textured wigs and whatnot, you gotta kind of already have a background and like a knowledge, and almost like you gotta know what you're expecting. Like, of course, you're not gonna sit up here and be able to just run your brush through this type of hair. You're gonna need to take some tender loving care. I personally, some people like to split up their kinky curly wig into sections. Me personally, with this particular wig, I didn't feel the need to do that. I feel like the curls were very smooth and very easy to work with. Of course, it did tangle up a bit more than a straight wig or like a body wave wig would, but when it comes to kinky curly hair, I feel like the shedding was on the minimum side of things for kinky curly hair. But like in general on the spectrum, I would say it is regular amount of tangling. Again, take a wide tooth comb, start from bottom to top and slowly comb through it. You don't want to just do top to bottom. That's never a good idea with any hair texture that you're having. But tangling was normal, I will say. I will say shedding was also, it was like between minimum to normal. I didn't really notice like a whole lot of shedding when it came to this wig. Like it was maybe like a small / normal amount. Like it's not like clumps were coming out of this hair. So definitely when you're getting this wig, especially if you want it to look like how it looks like on me, definitely do get a 20-inch or maybe like an 18-inch just to be safe. But don't expect to get a 14-inch and have your hair look exactly like this unless you're gonna do a little bit more manipulation to it. Again, this hair can be looking a lot longer than it is now, but again, the way I washed and styled the hair, that's why it looks the way it looks right now. Yeah, I love this wig. I will say, basically wrapping up the video, the pros with this hair is that the versatility, you can style it in multiple different ways. It's very cute, it's very summer-esque. Like, good guys, summer ain't over yet, okay? Like, we got this. Like, this hair is some bomb hair. I really don't have any cons, to be honest. I will say the only con with this wig, and it's not even like this wig in general, it's basically just like kinky curly hair in general. This hair is work. So if you guys aren't willing to put in a little bit of extra work to take care of this hair and to like take your time combing through it, putting products in it and whatnot, if you do want more defined curls and stuff like that, you're gonna have to put some extra work into this hair. Now if you're not willing to do that, kinky curly hair in general probably isn't for you. But again, if you're willing to put in the work, then that's not really a con. But yeah, I guess like the only con per se I would say with this wig, if I had to say something, would be that this hair does require a little bit more maintenance than a straight or like a wavy wig or like a body wave wig. That's what I meant to say. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know why I always decide to film when it's like dumb late and then my mind is like half turned off. That's not good. I need to start filming earlier in the day if possible. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.